Military said on Monday that it has concluded a missile test at the range of 120 kilometers, the second launch in the 2 days as tension with India has soared over Kashmir. New Delhi has blamed Islamabad for backing a deadly attack on the tourists in the Pahalgam last month, sparking a fresh standoff between the two countries and the two nuclear-armed neighbors. The launch was aimed at ensuring the operational readiness of the troops and validating any technical parameters, including the missile's advanced navigation system and the enhanced accuracy, the military said in the statement. Also on Saturday, the military said that it had tested a surface-to-surface missile with a range of 450 kilometers. It did also not say that whether of the test that took place or not. Also, Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said that he was satisfied with the military's full preparedness for the national defense. Also, the successful training launch also clearly shows that Pakistan defense is in strong hands, he said in the statement. The missile training launch comes after the Prime Minister Modi said that he has given Indian military full operational freedom to respond to the 22nd attack in the Pahalgam that killed 26 people. Also, Pakistan has denied any involvement and called for an independent probe. Islamabad warned last week of an imminent airstrike from its neighbor and has repeatedly made clear that it will be responsible and will respond for the force that is aggression that is being taking place by the Indian side. International pressure has been piled on the both New Delhi and Islamabad side, who have fought several wars over the Kashmir, to de-escalate. The two sides have exchanged mighty gunfire for more than a week, 9 along the militarized line of control. Also in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, emergency drills have been also carried out on the playing field. Residents have been told to stock up the food and medicines, and the religious schools have been closed. In India, a vast manhunt seeking the gunman continues across the Kashmir, while those living across the frontiers are moving further away or cleaning out the bunkers fearing conflict. Also, Mr. Sharif has postponed an official visit to Malaysia scheduled for the Friday as tensions mounted. The Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim also said on Monday that his office said that the two sides spoke on Saturday night and that he conveyed that he looked forward to paying an official visit also to Malaysia later this year.